Alright, all fingers on the stick.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, lower. This is a lot harder.
That's not helping, Aiden.
Don't go up! Okay.
I keep going upward.
Okay, start over. Okay, just keep
You can't grab the stick, your fingers just have to rest underneath it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, lower.
Oh,
It's going down. It's like turning. 1, 2, 3, down. Why are we going? We're just going up. Well, it's because the stick is bent.
because it's bent.
I think it's an added challenge. Definitely. Alright, 1, 2, 3, down. Oh. That's good. Yeah.
Down.
Okay.
God, it's coming in my face. 1, good, you count.
1, 2, 3, lower.
It's
Going that way.
I can't do it.
I think that we gotta stay level. If we don't stay level, that's when it starts getting
Well, the stick's not
The
level.
outside is heavier too, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, lower. Okay. 1, 2, 3, lower. 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 1, 2, 3.
All
lower.
fingers on the stick.
1, 2, 3, lower. 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 Yeah, y'all go down more. Good. There's a bug on my arm. 1, 2, 3, lower. 1, 2, 3,
Sorry.
lower.
It didn't.
1, 2, 3, lower.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, lower. There we go.
Yeah.